Can you glow up with $0 and strict parents? You probably think, no way. But girl, guess what? That ends today because I'll be showing you how to glow up in just 1 week without spending money, and even if you have strict parents. And listen, if you don't watch this video till the end, girl, your attention span is cooked. Because after the last tip, you're not gonna look the same, you're not gonna move the same, and you're definitely not gonna feel the same. Body care. First, let's start with body care. I don't care how pretty you are, if you're not clean, the glow is cancelled. Here are the must-dos. Shower regularly. And yes, wash your neck, behind your ears, underarms, and feet. Those areas matter more than you think. Brush your teeth twice a day, and clean your tongue. Bad breath ruins a glow instantly. Wash your face with clean hands. Stop touching your face constantly, and for the love of glowing skin, stop picking. Change your pillowcase regularly. Your face sleeps on that thing for 6 to 8 hours. Be serious. This alone already upgrades you by 30%. Girl, don't worry, I've got you. The budget is still $0. Now, let's move on to the other 70%. Skin glow up. No products, no problem. The first step is washing your face with water. If you have a cleanser, you can use it, but if not, just water works. To prevent pimples without a cleanser, use lukewarm water and your hands, or a gentle alternative like a damp washcloth. Paying attention to diet and hygiene also helps, as water alone might not remove heavy oil or makeup. If your acne is more severe, you may need a cleanser. Let's use some DIY products, like masks made from ingredients you already have at home that give the same effect as real skincare products. DIY face masks and remedies. 1. Mask for redness and soothing. This mask contains oatmeal and almond powder and is mixed with mashed banana. It's deeply nourishing, very moisturizing, and helps calm redness. Mash 1 small ripe banana and mix it with 1 or 2 tablespoons of oatmeal until smooth. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for about 10 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water, then continue with the rest of your skincare routine. And if you don't have these ingredients on hand, don't worry. There are plenty of other masks you can choose from. Aloe vera and cucumber. Blend 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 cucumber into a smooth paste. Apply for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Leave skin soft and hydrated. 2. Brightening masks. Tomato slice. Cut fresh tomato into slices and rub directly on face for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. Brightens dull skin. Rice mask. Korean traditional. Take 2 tablespoons of uncooked rice. Soak or cook lightly in minimal water. Drain excess. Mash into paste. Apply 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Smooths and brightens skin. 3. Masks for hydration. Banana and honey. Mash 1 banana. Mix 1 tablespoon honey. Apply 15 minutes, then rinse. Avoid if your skin is sensitive. Banana peel mask. Rub the inside of a banana peel directly on face for 10 minutes, then rinse. Gentle nourishment. 4. Dark circles and puffy eyes. Cucumber slices. Place chilled slices over eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Soothes and reduces dark circles. Side note, it's best to keep your eyes closed while cucumbers are on them. Cold spoon. Chill 2 spoons in the fridge. Press gently on puffy eyes for a few minutes. Instant refresh. Coffee and honey under eye mask. Mix 1 tablespoon coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon honey. Apply under eyes for 10 minutes, then rinse. Reduces dark circles. Tea bags. Steep tea bags in hot water. Chill, then place on eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Relieves puffiness and dark circles. Don't forget that when using tea bags, you should also keep your eyes closed. 5. Korean style mask. Korean cucumber mask. Blend cucumber into smooth paste. Avoid eyes. Apply 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Refreshing and hydrating. 6. Toner. Rice water toner. Take half a cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly to remove any impurities. Soak the rice in a bowl of water for about 20 to 30 minutes. allowing the water to absorb the nourishing nutrients. After soaking, strain the rice water into a clean container and store it in the refrigerator. After cleansing, apply the rice water as a toner using a cotton pad, gently swiping it across your face. Rice is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help nourish the skin, making it a go-to ingredient in Korean beauty routines. Ice your face. You can ice your face by either wrapping an ice cube in a towel and gently gliding it over your skin, or dipping your face into a bowl of cold water with ice. Both methods can reduce puffiness, calm inflammation, and refresh your skin. For safety, keep ice on for no more than 1 minute or dip your face for 5 to 10 seconds at a time, then lift for air. Stop immediately if you feel burning, numbness, or discomfort. Avoid if you have very sensitive skin or rosacea. Facial massage. You don't need a gua sha or jade roller. Your fingers work perfectly. Use gentle upward and outward strokes on your face to boost circulation, relax muscles, and improve skin glow. All it takes is a few minutes, zero cost, and your fingertips. Lip glow up. Dry lips ruin everything, so try these tips. DIY lip scrub. Mix sugar with honey, or any oil if you don't have honey, and gently scrub for 30 seconds. Do this 1 to 2 times a week. Toothbrush exfoliation. Lightly brush lips with a soft toothbrush for a quick scrub. Overnight hydration. If you have coconut oil or Vaseline at home, apply it before bed. You'll wake up with soft, smooth lips by morning. Don't lick your lips to hydrate. They'll just get drier. Nose care. Keep your nose looking clean and smooth with these simple steps. Steam your face once or twice a week. Hold your face over warm steam for 5 minutes. This opens pores, loosens dirt and oil, and helps prevent blackheads. Gentle nose massage. Use your fingertips to massage in small, circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. This boosts circulation, promotes healthy skin, and keeps the area soft. Don't forget, whenever you do a massage, apply a moisturizer or a face oil if your skin isn't acne-prone. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps your skin plump and prevents dryness around the nose. Brows and lashes. Brows and lashes frame your face, so taking care of them can instantly elevate your look. Stop overplucking and allow your brows to grow for 4 to 6 weeks, so they can regain their natural shape. Every night, apply a small amount of castor oil, coconut oil, or vitamin E, whatever you already have at home. Gently brush through brows and lashes with a clean spoolie. If you don't have one, use clean fingertips and apply lightly. Make your own detox drink. Support your glow from the inside with an easy homemade detox drink. Blend 1 lemon, 1 apple, 2 carrots, and a small piece of ginger with water. Drink fresh for a natural boost and hydration. For my lazy girls, simply slice a lemon and cucumber, add them to water, and sip throughout the day. Small habits like this help your skin look clearer and more refreshed. Hair glow up. Rice water for hair growth. Rice water is one of the easiest, most effective hair treatments, and everyone has rice at home. How to make it? Wash half a cup of rice until the water runs clear. Soak it in clean water for 30 minutes. Optional but recommended. Strain and let the water sit overnight to ferment. How to use it? After shampooing, pour the rice water over your hair. Then, gently massage your scalp for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, or pour a small amount onto your hair and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. This ancient method was used by Chinese women for long, thick, shiny hair. Rice water is packed with amino acids that strengthen strands and reduce split ends. Scalp massage, $0 tip. While you see others using expensive products for scalp massages, girl, you don't need any of that. Scalp massages aren't just for spa days. Sit comfortably, press your fingertips, knot your nails into your scalp, and make small circular motions. Start at the front and work your way to the back for 5 minutes. This boosts blood flow and supports healthy hair growth. If you have coconut or olive oil, warm 1 teaspoon and massage it in for extra hydration. Extra hair care tips. Neat hairstyles always look more polished than messy ones. Trim split ends whenever possible. Use a satin or silk pillowcase to protect your hair and keep it smooth. Get rid of frizz, no money needed. To tame frizz naturally, apply a tiny amount of coconut or olive oil to dry ends. Use aloe vera gel if you have it to smooth flyaways. And avoid heat styling. Body and nail care. Moisturize with any lotion or oil you have. Keep nails short, clean, shaped. Groom based on your comfort. Neatness matters. Wash and moisturize feet. Posture and body glow up. Moving your body literally changes how you look and feel. Start tiny. Just 5 minutes a day. Try 10 squats, 10 standing side leg lifts, and a 30-second wall sit. Choose silent workouts. No jumping. Do Pilates stretches, planks, and standing up moves. Effective and quiet. Fix your posture. Shoulders back, chin up, core tight. Instant confidence. You don't need a gym or an hour, just small, consistent moves. And yes, when you lose fat and get stronger, the glow up is very real. Calorie deficit and workout. Eat slightly, less than you burn. No starving, just smaller portions and fewer snacks. A focus on simple foods. More protein, fruits, and veggies. Less sugar and ultra-processed stuff. Stay active daily. Walk more, take stairs, and keep workouts short but consistent. Sleep earlier. Go to bed 30 to 60 minutes earlier. Start small so it actually sticks. Keep a simple routine. Same bedtime every night helps your body reset. Applying all these tips will have people asking, OMG, girl, how did you do that? That's a secret only Love Punch can tell. And if you want more secrets like these, don't stop here. Click this video and discover. Stay fabulous and keep glowing. See you in the next one.